Okay, so recording has been started. So in today's topic, we will see the same order by clause with multiple column sorting. Okay, multiple column sorting. Okay, so now what you will do, uh, first of all, let's see what our condition is and how we are going to sort it. Okay, so just I'm just doing a star, select a star from. Okay, and now see, this is the table of medical shop what we are using. Okay, so medical shop what we are using, I'm not using the order by here. So you as you can see, it has been arranged. Just a minute, give me a minute. It's sound coming from. Okay, so so far we have selected all things from medical shop dot customer. So now you can see clearly, by default it has been arranged in with the customer ID. See, it depends upon your record insertion, how you insert the record. If you record, if you insert record 102 first and then 101, it will show as 102 as the first record and 101 as the second record. So it is not like I have inserted like this only: 101, 102, 103, and so on. And then and say, so it is displaying like this. So we will not consider it as the order by condition here, order by clause applied here, because it is showing as the way it has been inserted. Okay, and now what I am doing, I am uh, I will apply multiple order by here. So what is multiple order by? Means you are applying the same order by, the same sorting technique on multiple columns. How it will do, I will let you know. So first, what I'm going to apply, I am going to show you that first I am doing order by on these two columns, cust mobile and cust address. Okay, so now what will I do? I will do perform order by on these two. So let me do that. Order by, first I'm sorting it by customer mobile. Okay, and then I'm sorting it by customer address. What does it mean? It does mean that first it will be arranged by this one from ascending order, in ascending order, and then letter wise, means alphabetically, it will be arranged in customer address. So let me run that and show it to you how it is working. So you can clearly, you can see here, by this example you will see. So first null, then zero. Null value has more, the most least precedence, so it will be on the top. Then we will have zero, and then so on. So but till now you are not sure about the guessing how it is performing. Okay, till now you have not sure about this. So how will you make sure that the answer is correct? So you can see here, 1 2 3 5, 1 2 3 5, 1 2 3 5, and 1 2 3 5. uh, let me do one thing. Let me do that. Uh, let me do this one: 101's record update to 1235, and then you will come to know, and then you will, the example will be more clear. uh, set cust mobile 1235, where cust id equal to 101. Okay, and now you can see, when I apply this one, this logic, this logic here, so you can clearly see that cust mobile who has 1235, just let me short that, where cust mobile equal to 1235, and now you can clearly see how it is sorted. Now how it is sorted, first it is sorted by cust mobile. Okay, but so you can see, I am why I am showing you the I am showing you because I can show you the example how it is sorted. So you can clearly see here alphabetically it has been sorted. Okay, so first I mean to say that first it will be sorted by cust mobile, and then it will be sorted by cust address. Got it? Any
Sir, but
question? Mm-hmm.
yes, sir. Sir, I have used the same thing whatever you used for the assignment,
Mm-hmm.
but I'm not getting the output.
We will see you after the class what I'm
Okay, sir.
saying. Okay, so let me create one table to show you more clearly. Okay, let me create the table, just a minute. Let me create one table in front of you, and so we will see how good it is. Medical shop dot temp table, suppose I'm creating a temp table. Okay, and we have id, and id which carries integer, and we have name which carries character keyword. Okay, just character keyword I'm saying. Okay, and what I'm doing, I'm inserting. Okay, what I'm inserting suppose 2, and I'm inserting m. Okay, okay, and I'm inserting 5, and I'm inserting x. Okay, and I'm inserting 1, sorry, 1, and I'm inserting b. Oops, what I'm doing, I'm inserting 1, and I'm inserting b, and I'm inserting suppose 10, and I'm inserting c. No, not c. Let me insert a here, a here. Okay, randomly I'm inserting. Okay, so just and I'm inserting 9, and I'm inserting uh, uh, d here. Okay, just randomly I'm inserting 5 records. Okay, now just let me run this. Okay, and now since I have run this, let me select from temp, and you can see the record is not order, has been insert record has not been inserted in order. It has been inserted in the same order what I have performed the insert operation. All right, perform the insert operation. So I as it as in the video starting, I had told you the same, that I have not inserted in the same order. All right, so let me insert few more records. So let me insert few more records, so that I want to show that let me insert two duplicate records on id. Okay, so let me insert few more records in this. Suppose I'm doing this. Okay, just I'm showing this. Why I'm showing this, you will come to know. 2 mm, sorry, 2mn. Okay, x, y, and 1 z. All right, so let me insert this one as well. Not j. so that it will be more clear. And one Z. Okay, let me insert three more records in it. I will tell you what I am trying to tell you. Okay, don't worry. So now you can see three duplicate records has been inserted by ID. Not the whole record is duplicated, but it is duplicated by only ID. All right. So now for 251, okay, the record has been duplicated, but by only ID. So I have just inserted it for demonstration purpose. So what I will do, I will do order by first ID, then I will order by name. Okay, so now you will see the difference. Once, if suppose if I do order by ID, what will it do? It will it will arrange by ID. Okay, and that is okay, but it will not arrange by name. Okay, okay, X, Y and MJ, because M doesn't comes before J. Okay, here it is correct because I have inserted in that way only. Here it is correct because I have inserted in that way only. You can see 5 two times is here. It is sorted by ID in ascending order. Okay, okay, can you see that? Can you see that? Okay, hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir,
Okay,
you're audible.
you can see that it is sorted in order based on ID, but it is not sorted on based on names. Okay, if you are seeing that one and one, okay, it is not sorted based on name. It is not sorted here on based on names. Here it is okay, B and Z. Okay, B comes first and Z comes later. But
Yes.
in ID, on ID2, you can see M is coming before J. So how will you do? How will you overcome this? So by applying name after ID, I'm applying the column name after ID. Means for both it is arranging as ascending order. And now you can see J comes before M. So first what it will do? It will arrange by ID. First, once it is done, then it will search within the partition, within this column, that how records are how records can be arranged. If it found more than one rows, right, more than one rows, then this will be arranged in order, in the same order. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
If they are not duplicated, then it will do arrangement like this only, like randomly, not randomly, based on ID, then it will make no effect. But if we have more than one column of ID, okay, then it will be arranged in ascending order. Okay, by default. And now if you want to if you want to suppose I do want this in ascending order and this in descending order, what you will do? You will pass ID as same, and name after name just pass descend. Okay, and you can see Z comes before B. Okay, suppose you don't want this descending, you want this descending. Okay, and this is ascending only. So what it will do? It will uh, make 10 comes first, 9 after that, and 5 and 5, and X and Y. Okay, so let's see, 10, 9 and 5X, 5Y. Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the thing I wanted to tell in today's class. One more thing I need to tell. uh, Two more cases I need to put. Just let me tell you quickly one more thing about today's class. So limit clause. Okay, so what is limit clause? So once suppose you have humongous amount of data, means humongous amount means if it you are seeing this only 8 records here, 8 to 9 records here. But what about you have 9 million records and you want to see only 10 first 10 records? Okay, because you can't do select a star from 1 million records. Okay, this is not possible in general scenario, and your server, SQL server or MySQL server or Oracle server will hang. Definitely your RDBMS system is going to be crash if you are doing select a star from medical term. Okay, if you are and once you are applying order by, then your system will be out of memory, because order by takes extra amount of effort. Okay, so it is really time consuming. So for humongous amount of data, means for too much data, where too much data is there. Okay, so in that time, if you want to do some analysis in short way, you want to just see how record looks like in your table, just your requirement is that. So if you want to see some few records, you can use the limit clause. Okay, so suppose I am assuming that this is temp table. Not assuming, let me go to your retail db2 schema. Okay, just I'm using retail db2 schema, and I'm using the orders table. Okay, this is a very popular retail db schema used all over the world. Okay, so you can see few records, many records are there, many records. If you want to count, just apply count, and I'm it will count the number of rows in your table. So you can see there are 68,883. Okay, these number of records are there. So since these are records, these number of records are very less, but in general scenario you will face so many issues. So face so many issues when you are querying on million and billion of records. Okay, in that scenario you will have requirement to fetch some of the records. Okay, so just I'm assuming that orders table have too many of records. Okay, so what I'm doing, i am I'm applying limit clause. Just apply limit 2. Just I'm using only 2 records. I just want to see only 2 records, and see you have only 2. Don't be surprised if you get null here, because this is a workbench issue. This is not your fault, this is a workbench issue. Okay, so this is nothing. Null is nothing. Okay, so you can ignore this. So apart from this, you can see these 2 records are there, you have come. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this was what I wanted to tell you. So I have also covered the count. Okay, count in it. Let me tell you the count in it today only. So count, what does count do? So now, till now you were dealing with some small data, but now from onwards we will have this deep database retail db in your system, and we will see once you load this database on your system and records in your system, we will see scenarios based on this database. Okay, so this has number of tables like categories, customer, departments, order items, orders, and products. So we'll see how different scenario can be achieved, and we can do analysis on these tables. Okay, so if you want to count total number of records, then just apply, and now just remove limit 2 and just count star from. Okay, want to apply, this is the record. But you can count specific number of column as well. Okay, so specific number of columns, how will you do that? How will you do that? So you will pass the column name as well only. So if you want to check how many uh, how many distinct order dates are there. So I have not taught you about distinct, right? So I will teach you in the next class. We will see the more use of count in that class. But for now, you if you want to count the number of customers in order date, so number of order status, so you can pass number of order status. Okay, order status in this, and you can see there are same number of order status as well, but this is wrong. Okay, so for this you want to apply the distinct command. Okay, distinct command allows you to uniquely identify the number of columns, a number of records. Okay, so number of total number of order status is 9. Distinct order status, I will cover distinct in some separate video, but for now this is the case. So the viewers who are watching this video, please do like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for further notification. So please do subscribe. I request if you like it. So thank you very much.